Did you know that 67% of people are looking for side hustles to boost their income? But here's the catch. Most require expertise or a hefty investment. What if there was a simpler way? Many of us feel trapped in our 9-to-5 jobs, craving a way to earn more money without sacrificing our time or sanity. The thought of learning a new skill or investing thousands upfront just seems overwhelming. Most side hustle options don't fit easily into our already hectic lives. Ignoring this growing need to supplement your income could mean missing out on opportunities that could alleviate financial stress. Imagine constantly worrying about bills or never being able to enjoy life's little luxuries because you're stuck in this cycle. Introducing the AI Profit Masterclass, a game-changing program that teaches you how to make up to $500 a day using free AI tools. No experience needed. It's all about working smarter, not harder. And I've got the inside scoop on how you can get started today. The course is designed to be beginner-friendly, so even if you struggle with technology, you can follow along with ease and start seeing results quickly. It leverages free AI tools, which means you don't have to invest in expensive software or equipment. You'll learn how to maximize these tools to create income streams. Users of the AI Profit Masterclass have reported impressive figures, some making $500 in their very first week. With tons of success stories and positive testimonials, this course is transforming lives. Ready to transform your financial future? Click the link below to grab your seat at the AI Profit Masterclass for just $67. Don't miss out on this opportunity to harness the power of AI and start earning today.